Hello everyone, another day, another video of our complete Laravel e-commerce series where we are building a complete e-commerce series using Laravel 11 and Livewire 3. In our previous video, we set up our admin template. If you're new to this series, please make sure that you watch the previous videos because it's a series and every video is related with each other. If you watch from the middle of the video, then you will not understand anything. So in our previous video, we set up this admin theme, and now today's target is pretty simple. We will create all the pages which required for the admin panel. There's so many different pages we will need, so we will create different kinds of browse and view in this video and then make them working in the sidebar links as well. If I look through the div diagram we created at our very first video, which link I also provided in the very first video comment section, okay, then we will easily understand like how many pages we will need in this admin panel. Very fast, we will need create category page, then manage category page. Same for the subcategory, we will need create subcategory page and then manage subcategory page as well. Okay, then we will need manage product page, and if I want to give authority to admin like he also can create product, then we will possibly give like create product page. But for me, I will not give admin the option of creating product. If you want to create a product, you will need to create a store in our project, or whatever you can say, like as a seller he need to create a store, then he can create product. So for admin there's not going to be any option for creating product. Okay, then there should be like manage product review. Okay, manage product review, okay, then there should be like order history, right? Order history, and then there should be also an option of like create and manage attribute. So by default admin able to set up some attribute for product, and also the seller able to add that default attribute for the product as well as some new attribute if you want to. Okay, then there should be like more option of manage order history. Okay, order history, manage order, everything going to be there. Then there should be manage cart history, then there should be also option of manage user, manage seller, manage store, and by default the state space and also the setting page. Okay, also like create discount, then manage discount. Okay, then payments, manage payments option, manage payments. So all these different pages we need. Maybe we'll need more in future, but for now let's create all of these things and yeah, make them available in our sidebar. In order to do so, very simple, we will go to our code editor again, and very fast let me just open a terminal and create all this view. Very simple. Okay, PHP artisan make view. We can create view like this. In our admin folder we want to create a view for our create category. So yeah, you can do like this or simply just okay, close it. We don't need to make it so complex. So we just can go through our resource. Okay, resource. Then in the resource we have the view folder and the admin folder, and inside of the admin folder we can simply just create all the pages we need. So just copy paste the admin.blade.php for once. Okay, now let's change the name here, like create create category dot blade .php. If you want to make it more complex, like a good way of structuring your files, then you can also do like category folder, then subcategory folder, and inside of them you can create, manage, and that's also make more sense. Okay, you can also do that, and let me show you what I'm meaning here. Okay, it's very simple. Like inside of the admin folder, we're just going to create more folders. Okay, first one going to be for category. Okay, category, and inside of the category folder we're going to create blade.php. okay, and it make more sense. And then manage.blade.php. In this way it get more organized, right? But it also makes sense if you make them just directly inside of the admin folder. And for the subcategory, do the same, just copy paste once, and then this time it will make more sense to do the copy paste. Just change the folder name, subcategory. Okay, and instead of that file is okay, create and manage. And same for here, let me see, manage product, right? So again copy paste this folder, change this to product, and then go inside of the product. We shouldn't have like create product, but we will have like, here we see manage product review, manage product. Okay, so manage.blade.php going to be for manage product, and then we also going to change this create to manage product review dot blade.php, so it make more sense, right? Then for water, let's create another folder inside of this water, and then instead of that we're going to create a file called history.blade.php. that means water history. We will about to see them from here. Okay, and then next create and manage attribute. Okay, same way we're going to just copy paste the category folder, and then change the name from here to product attribute, ATTRIBUT, and inside of that, that's two file, create attribute, manage attribute, right? Okay, so when you doing it organized way, it also get very easy to copy paste, because you just need to change the folder name, and inside of the file going to be always like create and manage. Okay, and then attribute one gone, manage cart history or view cart history. For that one we already have a history folder, right? Water cart history can keep. Okay, copy paste for now. Okay, just give it a name, cart, and inside of that we already have the history.blade.php file. That, and then for managing user, managing seller, let's create another folder inside of the admin folder, user. Okay, and then inside of that let's create few file, manage user.blade.php, and or you can just give it a name like manage. Okay, and then inside file let's change the name of inside file. It should be user.blade.php. make more sense. And also there's going to be store.blade.php. So you will able to manage user and also the store who is created by the sellers, right? Fine. And also there's going to be like managing discount, managing payment. Okay, for discount, let's just copy paste the category again, copy and paste, and change it to discount. So there's going to be discount, create.blade.php, manage.blade.php. Fine. Okay, we need more options. Let me create another folder inside of this admin folder, that is going to be payment, and add.blade.php and manage.blade.php. Fine. And lastly, there's going to be one for setting and one for stats. Okay, stats going to be displayed into the admin.blade.php. We just need another one which is called setting. Setting.blade.php. Fine. So we created so many view file. Now all you have to do is we have to simply create the routes for them, right? Okay, go inside of the route folder, and here we go. Previously we created this admin routes and it's maintained by admin controller and prefix is admin, right? Fine. Here we're going to create all different route we need. Okay. Here inside of this admin main controller we will have few routes. First one going to be like stats, and stats going to display into the admin.blade.php. So that's done. And then next one going to be setting. Okay, let me give the not fully copy that, just copy this one. Okay, copy paste, and this one going to be settings, and yeah, it's going to be maintained by setting, admin.setting. Fine. Or settings done. Okay, next one is manage user. Okay, copy paste this, admin, then manage dot, then there should be users, manage user. Okay, so it's going to be manage user, and then also going to be another one for managing store, manage stores. Okay, change the name here as well to stores, manage store. Fine. Okay, this one gone, this one gone, this one gone, this three gone, right? Okay, for card, what view we created? History. Card history, and this should be managed by card history. Okay, manage admin.card.history. That should be like that, card history. Fine. Then next, create and manage attribute. Okay, all different pages we just going to simply maintain by admin main controller, and inside of that pages whatever function we need we will use different controller for that. Okay, so it's going to be very simple. We will know that every page route is maintained by admin main controller and every function of that page maintained by their controller. Okay, fine. Let's move on and create few more. First I'm going to be for create cart, manage cart. Okay, sorry, not cart, it's create category and manage category. Category, then create, then category, manage, and should be like, okay, no, let's make different controller for them. Okay, let's make different controller for them and give them there, and all the page which is common just make them here inside of the admin controller. And I want to also make some changes here, like first of all I want to use here the route prefix admin group function fine, and inside of that I want to use my route group controller and admin main controller class. Okay, and then we want to create group function, and then inside of that let me paste them. This way it make more sense actually, and just remove them. Fine. Now in admin main controller we will have all the pages function which is common, like dashboard page is common, setting page is common, manage user is common, manage history is common, cart history is common. Yeah, let me see if there are more common page. Okay, not discount is not common, payment is not common, order history, yeah, order history should become a common page. Let me just copy this one and paste once, and this is going to be order history. Okay, order history, admin order history. Okay, now for other one let's create separate controller. Okay, and move on. First one for category, PHP artisan make controller, and inside of the admin folder there should be category controller. What? Yeah, then run again. Okay, so inside of the admin folder we have right now category controller, and let's make another route group for that using the category controller. Make sure that you use that as well, and then there's going to be only two pages for now. One is add category or category add. Okay, makes sense more. Category add, there's going to be like index page. Fine, and that will take us to the page where from where we will able to add the category, and change this name to like not add, let's just make it like create, category create. Okay, and name also category dot create, and then category manage, and this one also going to be like manage and category manage. Fine. So for create category, there's 2 already created, or for category there's 2 already created, and same for the subcategory. Let's do the same thing for subcategory. Copy this one, paste once, and we need to create another controller for that. Subcategory controller, subcategory controller. Okay, different controller for different work. And here just to use subcategory controller and add sub before category, and that should be okay. And here as well, don't need to change the name here. Okay, the next one for category subcategory one for product. Okay, let's create another controller for product. Okay, product controller. Okay, so copy paste the subcategory controller route group, paste like this, and here just load the product controller. Okay, and for product we will need manage product and manage product review. So product, okay, product manage, product product review manage, review manage. Okay, so product dot review dot manage. So product one also gone, and order history gone before, right? Okay, order history gone before, and right now there's going to be another one for getting attributes. Okay, copy paste this subcategory route group, and now create another controller. This is going to be for attribute product attribute controller, ATTRIBUT controller. Okay, let's load it here. Product, so load here product attribute controller. Okay, and there should be few pages like create and manage attribute, attribute product attribute, ATTRIBUT attribute create, product attribute manage, and same for here. Okay, manage card already gone, this one also gone. Okay, create discount, manage discount. For discount, let's just copy paste this one and create another controller, admin. Okay, product discount controller, and load that here, product discount controller, and here discount create discount manage, same for here as well. Okay, fine, that's all the routes we need to create. In our next video we will set up all the view file, and we will create all these function which we just mentioned here for each of the different controller. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. I will see you in next video. Till the time, have a wonderful time.